In today's interconnected global business landscape, organizations are increasingly relying on complex, geographically distributed supply chains and outsourced production or service delivery models. This shift presents unique challenges when it comes to implementing effective actual costing systems to support decision making and drive operational efficiency. The complexities of global supply chains. The rise of outsourcing and global supply chain networks has introduced several layers of complexity that constrain traditional costing approaches. Diverse cost structures. Organizations must grapple with the varying cost structures of geographically dispersed suppliers, contract manufacturers, and logistics providers, each with their own pricing models, labor rates, and overhead structures. Opacity of supplier costs. Maintaining visibility into the actual costs incurred by suppliers, particularly those located in distant regions, can be a significant challenge as organizations may have limited access to granular cost data from their partners. Logistical and transportation costs. The expenses associated with global logistics, including international freight, customs duties, and cross-border inventory management, can be difficult to accurately capture and allocate to specific products or services. Currency fluctuations. Organizations operating in multiple currencies must account for the impact of exchange rate fluctuations on their actual costing calculation, introducing an additional layer of complexity. Regulatory and tax compliance. Navigating the diverse tax regimes, labor laws, and other regulatory environments across different countries can complicate the accurate assignment of costs and the determination of profitability. The importance of actual costing in global supply chains. Despite the challenges, the need for accurate actual costing in global supply chains has never been more critical. Effective actual costing can provide organizations with several key benefits. Informed sourcing and supplier selection. Actual costing data can help organizations make more informed decisions about which suppliers to work with, where to locate production facilities, and how to structure outsourcing arrangements to optimize costs and profitability. Improve inventory management. By understanding the true costs associated with global inventory movements, organizations can make better informed decisions about inventory levels, safety stock requirements, and the optimization of distribution networks. Enhanced pricing and profitability analysis. Actual costing data can enable organizations to develop more accurate and competitive pricing strategies for their products or services, as well as provide insights into the true profitability of their global operations. Greater visibility and transparency. Actual costing can help organizations achieve greater visibility into the performance and cost drivers of their global supply chain, enabling them to identify and address inefficiencies, mitigate risks, and enhance overall operational resilience. Alignment with sustainability and corporate social responsibility. Actual costing data can support organizations in understanding the true environmental and social costs associated with their global operations, informing their sustainability initiatives and corporate social responsibility efforts. Implementing actual costing in global supply chains. Effectively implementing actual costing in a global supply chain environment requires a comprehensive and strategic approach. Key steps include: establish comprehensive data collection processes, develop robust processes and systems to capture actual cost data from all global suppliers, logistics providers, and other supply chain partners, ensuring the integrity and reliability of the information. Leverage advanced costing methodologies. Adopt advanced costing methodologies, such as activity-based costing or time-driven activity-based costing, to more accurately assign and allocate costs across the global supply chain, accounting for factors like logistics, customs, and currency fluctuations. Integrate actual costing with supply chain management systems. Seamlessly integrate the actual costing data with the organization's supply chain management software, enterprise resource planning systems, and other operational tools to enable real-time visibility and decision-making. Foster cross-functional collaboration. Encourage collaboration between the finance, procurement, operations, and logistics teams to ensure that the actual costing data is properly interpreted, aligned with strategic objectives, and effectively utilized in supply chain decision-making. Implement advanced analytics and visualization. Leverage data analytics and visualization tools to transform the actual costing data into actionable insight, enabling the identification of cost optimization opportunities, the assessment of supplier performance, and the development of scenario-based planning capabilities. Continuously monitor and refine the system. Regularly review and update the actual costing system to ensure it remains accurate, relevant, and responsive to the evolving dynamics of the global supply chain environment. Case study: implementing actual costing at a multinational manufacturer. ABC Manufacturing, a leading multinational producer of industrial equipment, faced significant challenges in accurately costing its globally distributed supply chain and outsourced production model. The company decided to implement a comprehensive actual costing system to gain greater visibility and control over its global operations. By establishing robust data collection processes and integrating actual costing data with its supply chain management and ERP systems, ABC Manufacturing was able to achieve several key benefits. Informed sourcing and supplier selection. The actual costing data enable ABC Manufacturing to evaluate the true cost of working with various global suppliers, including factors like logistics, customs, and currency fluctuations. This information was used to renegotiate contracts, consolidate the supply base, and identify more cost-effective sourcing locations, resulting in a 9% reduction in overall procurement costs. Optimize inventory management. ABC Manufacturing leveraged the actual costing insights to make more informed decisions about inventory levels, safety stock requirements, and the configuration of its global distribution network. This led to a 15% reduction in working capital tied up in inventory and a 12% improvement in inventory turns. Enhanced pricing and profitability analysis. By understanding the true costs associated with serving different global markets and customer segments, ABC Manufacturing was able to develop more competitive and profitable pricing strategies, contributing to a 7% increase in overall profit margins. Improved visibility and transparency. The integration of actual costing data with ABC Manufacturing's supply chain management systems enabled the company to achieve greater visibility into the performance and cost drivers of its global operations. This, in turn, supported more informed decision-making, the identification of optimization opportunities, and enhanced supply chain resilience. The success of this initiative was largely attributed to the strong collaboration between the finance, procurement, operations, and logistics teams at ABC Manufacturing. By fostering a shared understanding of the value of actual costing in a global supply chain environment, the company was able to overcome cultural and technological challenges and unlock the full potential of this strategic investment. Overcoming challenges in actual costing for global supply chains. While the benefits of actual costing in global supply chain management are substantial, organizations may face several challenges in implementing and maintaining an effective system. Data collection and supplier transparency. Gathering accurate and reliable actual cost data from geographically dispersed suppliers and logistics providers can be a significant challenge, particularly in cases where there is limited transparency or resistance to sharing sensitive cost information. Technology integration and interoperability, ensuring seamless data integration between the actual costing system, the supply chain management software, ERP platforms, and other enterprise systems can be a complex and resource-intensive endeavor, especially across international boundaries. Data quality and governance, maintaining the accuracy, completeness, and reliability of the actual cost data used in global supply chain decision-making is crucial but can be challenging, given the dynamic nature of international markets and the potential for currency fluctuations, regulatory changes, and other external factors. Talent and skill development. Effectively leveraging actual costing in a global supply chain environment requires specialized skills in cost accounting, data analytics, supply chain management, and change management. Upskilling the existing workforce or attracting the necessary talent can be a significant challenge. Change management and cultural adoption, transitioning from traditional costing approaches to a more data-driven, actual costing-based mindset may face resistance from employees accustomed to the old method, particularly in an international context where cultural differences can impact the pace and acceptance of change. To overcome these challenges, organizations must take a comprehensive and strategic approach to the implementation of actual costing in global supply chains. This may involve the development of robust data management strategies, the investment in cross-functional training and talent development programs, and the implementation of effective change management protocols. Conclusion. In today's complex, globally distributed business landscape, the strategic integration of actual costing data into supply chain management has become increasingly crucial. By providing organizations with a granular understanding of the true costs associated with their global operation, actual costing can support informed decision-making, enhance operational efficiency, and drive sustainable competitive advantage. Despite the challenges posed by the inherent complexities of international supply chains and outsourced production models, the benefits of actual costing make it a vital tool for organizations seeking to thrive in the age of globalization. By embracing this integrated approach and overcoming the associated obstacles, companies can position themselves for long-term success and maintain a leading edge in their respective industries.